All right, here we go. We're in the shop here at my house, and I was donated, or someone donated to me, a Troy built self-propel lawnmower, and I'm going to be showing you guys the simplest way to diagnose a machine here that won't start. So it was given to me. Person said that it didn't start or whatever, so he didn't want to deal with it. So here it is at my house. So people want to jump to conclusions, and this is a common problem with just the average person who has a mower, and they're like, oh, let me replace the spark plug, and let me add oil and change the oil and all of this stuff. So when it comes to small engines or outdoor power equipment, whether that's outboard or a rotary engine like this, the problem isn't the machines. The problem is the gas at the gas stations. So people don't understand that when it comes to gas station fuel, it's being diluted so much with ethanol to make gas be cheaper to produce and sell it for more. And this is all, my perspective of everything. So take it as you will. But so this here, what happens is ethanol retains moisture, so it pulls moisture from the atmosphere and puts it in the fuel system, and it causes corrosion to carburetors because the fuel will then break down, and moisture causes corrosion, and then you get, basically the carb starts to mold like like milk, like expired milk. So a good rule of thumb, gas station fuel that has ethanol is usually good for about 30 to 60 days, and sometimes it'll last longer if you get a good batch of gas, or you go to a gas station that moves a lot of gas where it's not sitting in their tanks for long periods of time. Then you're good to go. But for this, so keep that in mind. So the first thing I do, I try and pull it, it doesn't start. So what you're going to do is you can spray ether if you want. You can spray carb cleaner, brake cleaner. You just want to put some, fresh, high octane, combustible, in the throat of the carburetor. So I will show you guys how to do that now.